Hello children's, welcome to Kidz Carnival.
The Bundle of Sticks. Hi kids. Today's story is about a father and his sons, and how they learned the power of staying united. Once, there was an old man who had many sons. But his sons always fought with each other. Stop fighting. One day, the father thought of a clever way to teach them a lesson. I have an idea. He gave them a bundle of sticks and said, try to break it. But none of them could. Too hard. Then he gave them one stick each. They broke them easily. Snap. So easy. The father said, if you stay together, no one can harm you. But if you fight, you will break easily. Together we are strong. The sons understood. They promised to stay united. Moral of the story: unity is strength.
Like, share and subscribe to get more stories and rhymes.